So it's not iOS 18.4 Beta 1, that should be coming in a couple days, but Apple did just drop the next stable release for iOS in the form of iOS 18.3.1, and this is going to add some more stability to 18.3. A lot of users were complaining about a number of different issues, so this is very welcome to see. One of the main ones we were experiencing was the Wi-Fi disconnect or lack of transitioning from Wi-Fi to cellular and back and forth. So let's go ahead, take a look at this full build number and jump right into it. As usual, we're not expecting any new features here. Those are going to be reserved for 18.4. So this is more bug fixes and security updates. Let's go. So on our iPhone 16, as you guys can see here, iOS 18.3.1 just finished installing, and we are going to sign right into this device right now and give you guys a first look. While this finishes installing though, I do want to do our typical temperature check just to see how this is behaving as we usually do, and you can see it is somewhat warm, but again now for the second beta in a row, we actually haven't hit triple digits near the center of the phone. So hopefully this is good news that Apple should have improved on the heat disbursement, but as we see that, right when we say that, you can see it's still warming up pretty consistently and more warmer than it was prior. All right, enough of that though. First things first, as you guys probably saw in the thumbnail, this is coming in at about 638 megabytes. And jumping into settings, general, and about 18.3.1 has a new full build number of 22D72. As you guys are aware, there were a number of issues as we discussed in that intro on iOS 18.3 that this should look to hope to resolve. First things first, that was in regards to the camera not loading and freezing on that black screen. And as you can see though, we actually did get a load pretty easily there. Let's go ahead and close that out, force quit it, do it again, and it launched immediately. Let's use the camera control button. All right, perfectly good. So hopefully that has improved here. We personally didn't experience that too much, but one issue we did regularly experience was the Wi-Fi issue, where if you left your home or any location with Wi-Fi and you return to it, it should reconnect, and that was not happening prior. As you can see here, at least it is connecting. We would randomly lose connection here as well, and it would simply never reconnect, even not leaving the location, just sitting on its charger for a while. There was another issue we experienced, and it was weird. It was the opposite of what we normally had. That was in regards to the brightness control. So in dark environments, this was not auto dimming as low as it should. It would come to about that level and never get any dimmer, even though the room could be completely dark. So hopefully that will be resolved here as well. Obviously, all these are yet to be seen since this just finished installing, but it is something I wanted to call out. One of the other issues is in regards to mail. When you would load up mail, separate times when you would jump into something, you would be able to actually not jump into it. It would just simply freeze up. So that happened here and also in the photo app pretty consistently. Those are some of the main ones we hope to see improve now in 18.3.1. Aside from that, there is not a lot new here, obviously. As you are aware, you can scroll around. It has worked pretty well this entire time that we've been running 18.3 minus these couple of small inconveniences. One thing I do want to talk about is the next big piece here and the next big release of iOS 18.4 Beta 1. And per Mark Grumman, this should be coming near the end or middle of this week, at the very latest next Monday or Tuesday. But as we sit here on the 10th, I am under the impression we should get this around the 13th for the first beta, as this will put it well over 2 weeks without having a new beta out there, and 18.4 is supposed to be a monster. We're going to get updates to Siri, more contextual awareness, on-screen awareness, and things of that sort, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and thumbs up this video if you want to get details on that once those videos drop. But that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.